Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We have Kaylee and we have Mr. CC Cam Fan. So today we're on a little bit of a road trip. We're going to a Honda dealership, seeing as our local Honda is closed down. So we're on our way over to Sutton Motorcycles. Look at his face, look, loves the camera. Sutton Motorcycles over in Tamworth, and we're not bike shopping for me either.
We're bike shopping for me!
Why are we bike shopping for you?
Because I passed my mod 1 yesterday. Woohoo!
Yes, you did. So we've got a couple of bikes that we're interested in looking in.
You can look in it if you want.
We're looking at. But obviously because she's 4 foot nothing, we've got to look at some heights of bikes and how she feels on
Heights of bikes.
Heights of bikes. So we'll get over to Sutton and we shall see you there. So guys, we're at Sutton Motorcycles. They're having a big refurb done, that's why it doesn't look long much. Look at her, look how happy she is.
Shopping, shopping, shopping. And we've got a little munchkin shopping.
Booty. Booty.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So we went bike shopping. Didn't find.
We went bike shopping last week.
We did go bike shopping last week, yeah. Today wasn't bike shopping. Today was picking up my new bike. I have a new bike.
So on my dad's channel, I want to give a shout out to my mum
Yeah, what for?
for passing her bike test.
Thanks. Yeah, I've got a new bike. A beautiful matte black, and I can reach the floor. I can flat foot it.
They're just bringing the bike out now, just waiting for the shutters to come up. But because obviously Kaylee's still not past the mod 2 yet, no, she's had to drive me over here because I've got to ride the bike home.
No. Fuming.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time.
Are you happy?
I am happy.
Are you happy I'm riding it home?
I'm not happy that you're riding it home, no.
Right then, let's get her home and let's get her in a space in the garage.
Yay!
I'm following you, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
Or do you want me to, or you?
Oh, I'll follow you actually. Make sure that you behave yourself.
I'll always behave myself. So on the way over here, obviously I was in Kay's car, I had to listen to Heart Christmas. Bear in mind, it's like the 5th of November. Oh, this riding position's weird. I think it's going to take a little bit getting used to. So I just pulled straight out of the dealership and the engine management light came straight on. But it might have just been the fact that it was low voltage. So Kay probably thinks I'm messing around by going around the island and she's carried straight on. She's probably thinking, what the hell is he doing? But no. So one of the main reasons that we decided to go for this specific Honda Rebel was that it's already got a couple of added extras on the bike already. So it's obviously already got the screen on the bike, it's got the heated grips on the bike, and the previous owner has put these larger mirrors on. Now obviously Kay doesn't like the circular mirrors, she liked these mirrors. They give a better field of view, but the biggest selling point is that it's a 2020 plate bike with only 668 miles on the clock, and that's it. So the bike has only just been run in. Oh, it's definitely got a bit of pickup on it though, for a nice little 500cc bike. Very thin. See, first time ever riding. Oh, hold. Yeah, it's my first time ever riding this style of a bike. I admit it's not a bad riding position. Sitting at 60 miles an hour comfortably. Like I said, it's got a nice little bit of pull about it as well. For a first bike, I don't think she can go wrong with this. She was looking at a Suzuki SV650, and we were so close to buying that bike, but again, like I said, the height of the bike, she would have got used to it, don't get me wrong, she would have got used to it, but the height of the bike I think was just a little bit too daunting for her. I feel like I'm on like a 125 again. Oh, it feels that light. But again, I keep saying it is a nice position to be in. I think she'll be absolutely fine on this. So yeah, so it's got adjustable levers on already. It's got the Oxford heated grips, which feel huge. And obviously it's got a screen on it already. They're three things that I would have had to spend out on straight away. But no, as a first impression and a first ride, it's a nice little bike, it really is. It feels planted. I mean, the wheels, the tyres on the bike are huge. They are absolutely massive. Got a very nice basic dash. Got everything you need on there. Time, speedo, fuel, gears. You don't need anything else. Anything else, it starts getting complicated. So light. I can't get over how light it actually is. So we're in a 40 mile an hour zone at the moment. We're about to go into a 60. I'm going to see what, I'm going to say in fourth gear, I'm going to see what the pickup is to get to 60. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, plenty in the tank. There is plenty in the tank for her there. I will admit, I do feel like I'm getting hit by the wind quite a lot. But again, this style of bike with those heated grips, I'm sure she'll be fine. The gears are smooth. Gets up to 70 mile an hour easy enough. Got a nice front brake on it actually. One thing I do like about the Rebel is the same as the Twin, is the indicator lights are constantly on. I think that is a great idea. I think, you know, it's that more of a road presence, and I think it looks really, really smart. So yeah, all in all, I think it is a great little bike. So let's get home, let's get it tucked up in the garage. We shall see you there.
Make it, set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here comes